Let's learn about the United States of America. Facts about California. It became a U.S. state September 9, 1850. It is the 31st state. Its location is the west coast of the United States. The capital is Sacramento. California covers 163,696 square miles. If you are from California, you are known as a Californian. It has 58 counties. The temperature on average is about 61 degrees. Their state flower is the golden poppy. Their state tree is the California redwoods. Their state bird is the California valley quail. Their state fish is the California golden trout. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.